Ramadan. This is a time of the year where all Muslims must hear the spirit of Ramadan, so let us cheer. All you have to do is not drink or eat. And please, at sunset, don't have nasty meat. We need to read the Holy Quran. Don't you think you should do that during Ramadan? For this is the month Allah told Muhammad, the first verse of the Holy Quran. So remember, the month before September. So goodbye. I must be gone to break fast this Ramadan.